welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2016 GLX Mitsubishi Triton. Now we'll start off at the front of the vehicle, we'll run you through the condition and also some of the features on the car itself as well. As you can see at the front, you do have the really nice styling blacked out grille with the different patterns in it as well. That just gives it a actual different look than your normal sort of honeycomb grille like just down the bottom has. And as you can see, it actually contrasts really well with that white paintwork as well. You can also see you do get those big headlights that are actually going to give you really good vision when you actually need to use the lights. And you can see that the paintwork on the actual front of the vehicle is in really good condition, especially for being in 2016. Come around and look at our first steel wheel. As you can see, wheel itself is actually in really good condition. No major marks on the wheel or anything that are worth pointing out. And the tread on these Bridgestone tyres, if I can get my words out, sorry, have plenty of tread left on there as well. The side indicator is built into that side fender, and you do have the blacked out mirrors and the blacked out door handles as well. You do have your chrome Triton badging down the bottom, and by the looks of things, I think the windows are actually tinted, so if you were going to get tint done in the future, the previous owner's already done it for you, so going to save you a bit of money there. Take a look inside the car. As you can see, the seats are all in really good condition. You do have the vinyl floor, so as you can imagine, they're in good condition as well because they're just simply wash out and off you go. Now there is a bit of scuffing on the actual inside of the door, but being a work ute, nothing too concerning. And you do have, and the doors themselves are in good condition as well. As you will see, the car is fitted with the steel tray. You can actually open it from all four sides. I'll show you how to open it once we get down to the back. As you can see, second steel wheel in good condition with, again, good tread left on the tyre, on those Bridgestone tyres as well. Coming to the back now, you will notice that the tow pack has been fitted as well. So as you can imagine, if you were going to tow, the car is set up to do that. We'll open it up so it's as easy as putting both these latches up and the tray simply folds open. As you can see, plenty of space in the tray, hence why people get the tray and not actually the tub. The close is the same way. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way as it does for me right here. So you just put that one in, you make sure this one's not in the way either. As I'm making it very difficult for myself. There we are, sorry. The camera person helped me. As you can see, it easily locks up. And then we'll keep working our way down. As you see, tray's all in good condition on the left hand, on the passenger side as well. Third alloy wheel is in good condition with good tread. So as you can see, a bit of a pattern going on here, guys. Nothing that's worth pointing out that I've needed to. Then on the passenger side, all the paintwork's in good condition. Nothing again to point out. And then getting to that fourth and final wheel, as you can see again, with that continuous pattern, nothing to point out. Really good tread left on those tyres too. So from what we can see, guys, the previous owner has definitely maintained this single cab ute. Alright guys, so taking a look underneath the bonnet now. So what we have here is a 2.4 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 133 kilowatts of power and also 430 newton meters of torque. It does also come with a 5-speed sports automatic. You get a really good size fuel tank as well, 75 litres. That is going to give you good fuel economy as well, 7.3 litres to the 100 k's combined. So out of that 75 litre tank, and this is on average, you're going to get around 1,000 kilometres out of that full tank of fuel. Obviously that's going to depend on the way you drive. Alright guys, now taking a look inside the GLX Triton, we'll say off of the driver's side door. You do have all your power window controls and the driver's window is automatic up and down. You also have a button here to actually lock the windows, so if the passenger next to you is getting a bit annoying, you can actually lock him out. Then behind the steering wheel itself, you do have all your mirror controls and your traction control just down below. On your right hand stalk is where you have your indicators and your headlights, and the left hand stalk is your windscreen wiper and the washer as well. On the steering wheel itself, as you can see, minimal wear on the steering wheel, which is always good. The right hand side is all your cruise control settings, and then the left hand side is your media controls with your Bluetooth controls down the bottom. Moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, you do get AM/FM radio. You also get the CD as well. There is USB, which is just down here. And as I mentioned before, you do have the Bluetooth as well. Now there are all your hard buttons in to actually control it, and then you have the screen to actually tell you what's actually going on. All your climate control just down below. On the left hand side is where the actual direction of the air, where you want it to come out, your fan speed in the middle, and then your temperature on the left. Down below you do have the little warning to if the passenger's not wearing the seatbelt, and also the hazard button as well. As I mentioned, you do have the USB down here, and you also have the 12-volt socket with the cigarette lighter. Just down below you do get a good amount of storage, your 6-speed automatic gearbox that you can drive as a normal automatic or put it across to what they call the sport shift, and then you can actually shift through the gears manually just to make you feel like you're driving a bit of a manual. 2 cup holders with the manual handbrake, and then inside the actual armrest itself you get 2 different compartments. As you can see, a little tray at the top, and then inside itself you do get the bigger storage with another 12-volt socket as well. Let's get the camera person to pan around. I know they won't be panning around much, but just to show you the condition of the car. And then once we're done doing that, we'll jump outside the car and wrap up the video. Guys, hopefully that's given you a really good representation of the condition and also some of the features on the GLX Triton as well. Now, this car will qualify for the Premium Mechanical Protection Plan, so that is going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electric protection. It's also going to give you 10 years of premium roadside assist and also unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim. Now, it is an additional cost, but if you are using our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, our business managers, would be more than welcome to tailor a package towards your need and add in the Premium Mechanical Protection Plan and show you how minimal it actually affects the payment. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google with over 1,000 reviews from Australia-wide customers, hopefully that gives you the peace of mind and the assurity that you're buying a fantastic vehicle from not only the right dealership, but you're also dealing with the right quality people to deal with as well. Again, number to call is 99070555. My name is Jamie, and thank you for watching.